No cap.
It's your boy Playboi, and I'm back with motherfucking Stack. You did, yes sure. Before we even get into the video, I want to give a special shout out and a special thank you to everyone who supports my clothing brand. I want to thank you all. I want to tell you guys how much I appreciate y'all. Y'all are the reason that most of this is possible. And I know I've been off of YouTube for a minute, but it's really not my fault. I'm really juggling a lot of things. It's only me, you feel me? I can only do what I can, you feel me? So I'm trying to come back on the tube, but the views is not looking like how I want it to. Like 44 views on a clothing brand review. Come on, man. Y'all know my shit fire. Like, come on, man. But yeah, I'm not gonna blame it on YouTube or blame it on the algorithm or whatever. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can get these videos when I'm dropping them. If you really pay attention, I'm putting y'all boys on. I know y'all see what's on the side. I'm not about to cook up, you feel me? I'm not about to cook up. I don't know nothing about that. But today we're gonna be detoxing my dreads, also known as the ACV rinse, you feel me? I do got my apple cider vinegar right here. Yeah, I do got the Arm & Hammer baking soda. I do not have no sponsorship with these lame ass niggas, you feel me? They definitely not finna hit me up for no sponsorship. But I do got the ACV rinse again in the same shirt. I'm finna get into that. I'm finna wash my hair. Retwist. Like, my dreads been looking like it's not growing for years, and now, like, you feel me? I got 11 inches on y'all. You feel me? I got more hair than your girlfriend. Please do not get off the video just because I say that. Like, damn, you know I got more hair than your girlfriend. Don't even feel no type of way about that. Like, for real. Like, I got more hair than your girlfriend. Go cop some merch. But yeah, we finna get a video. I've been talking for too long. I know y'all wanna hear my mouth, feel me? I don't wanna hear my mouth. Like, I wanna shut up right now, but we finna get into this video. I'm finna set up the camera. Make sure y'all tune in. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Send it to your homeboy. Send it to your homeboy. You know his dread is dirty ass bunks, you feel me? Send it to your homeboy. If you know your dread is dirty, why the hell you walking around with dirty ass dreads, man? We're finna fill up this sink, set up the camera, and we finna get into it. Yeah, yes sir. I wanna see y'all spam the comment section. Like right now, I wanna see y'all spam the comment section. And if y'all want me back on YouTube, like make me feel like I need to be back on YouTube. You feel me? Like your boy lost weight. I dropped 100-something pounds. I'm in the gym, clothing brand going up. You feel me? I'm sure y'all wanna be a part of that. Make sure you make this video go up. You feel me? Like I need at least 20 likes on this video. No cap. All right. So I'm gonna be dipping my hair into this and applying the baking soda. It's actually gonna get on my hair. I don't know if all my hair is in there, but it's gonna be more work. Okay, my hair feels wet. Pun intended. Alright, so I'm gonna be applying the baking soda all over my hair, all over from the roots. Bro, this is absolutely dirty. Like, look at this shit. This is dirty, bro. Alright, so right now I'm going to rinse this stuff out of my hair because this is very much disgusting to me. Ooh, boy, this is nasty. My hair smells right now. Lord, this is disgusting. It stinks like. Lord have mercy. I have a couple of them that's thin, so I'm gonna start crocheting them together and making them one. Something's wrong with that cat. What the fuck was that? Just pay attention to what I'm doing. Let me section out my dreads. This dumb cat bit my hair. Like literally ate my shit. But I do have dreads that's thinning like this one, so I'm gonna try to combine it with like a smaller dread. Alright, so let me start with this one since it's closer to the end. Alright, so not fully done, but you know, I'm the type to show you all my products that I use, but yeah, this is tea tree oil and it's good for your hair and your scalp, so make sure you pass a little bit in your hair, man. Alright, so as you guys can see, I finally crocheted my dread. You feel me? It's a little thicker, but I have way too much dreads. I wish I could crochet my whole head, but we're gonna just crochet the thin ones for now on. Look at this. Gotta crochet this one too. Maybe mine, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna do this one. I'll choose this one, it's closer. Alright, so I'm gonna be crocheting this one, and after that, we're gonna get the rest on the road. So I'm almost done with this, as you guys can see. Damn, Dre got thicker than that bit. It's 11:43. It's almost 12, and I got work in the morning. So, excuse me. I'm gonna finish doing these. I crocheted the first 4 in the front, but yeah, there's some more I have to do. So, I'm gonna catch y'all on the other end. Alright, so what you guys think so far, man? It's a retwist. This shit hurt like a motherfucker. It's literally 4 o'clock. I haven't slept yet. So, after a couple hours of doing this, you feel me? I'm actually done. I think I did.
Niggas be slipping, they nervous, get shit like I'm Mervin, I'm swerving from lane to lane. You cannot hang, nigga, you lame. Niggas be capping, they feel like your chain. This ain't a game, erase the name. I'm about to blow INS be the game. Yeah, put 90%. Right now,
I'm about to get ready for sleep. Y'all tell me how I did, you feel me? So right now, what I'm about to do is put on my silky and put on my Da Vinci beanie so I can go to sleep. You always gotta make sure you put a do-rag over your hair when you about to go to sleep, especially after you retwist it, you feel me? You don't want it to be nappy in the morning. Alright, so based off my voice, you guys can tell that I'm very sleepy and very tired, and it's actually 4 o'clock, so I got my
on stage, dripped up, popping my shit. Got hella hoes trying to put a look and get lit. I'm fuck with a squad trying to walk in this bitch shot. No cap. For real.
Oh yeah. Now I'm finna throw on the Da Vinci beanie. And if you want a beanie like this, you feel me? I'm gonna leave the link in the description right now. Make sure you go cop. It's only $25, you feel me? I'm gonna be restocking them real soon. I did sell out. Make sure you tune in. Make sure you follow me on the ground. Make sure you subscribe to the brand page. If you're gonna be dropping more on there, you feel me? Now I'm about to go to sleep. It's your boy, Da Vinci, you did. If you stay tuned to the end, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share the file friend. Make sure you click the first link in the description for a chance to get you one of these, you feel me? Come grab you some merch, come grab you some trip, you feel me? The hardest brand out, right now. No cap, no cap. I'm about to go to sleep though. I'm gonna catch y'all on another video. Glee, I love y'all.
Let's be the gang, yeah. For 90%, we robbing and looting, yeah. I get more ice in the ring. Young nigga shit, we rolling the baddie, she queuing, make sense. Why she wanna leak? Huh, the the effing issue like it's Stephen. Moving the way like 11, the chopper got reaching, the preach like a reverend.
That's called